Hey guys, I would like to welcome you to my new channel that I just created. It's called DonaldDoug9927 Game Driver, and I would appreciate it if we could hit like at least 2,500 like my last goal again. So yeah, I'll play the video of me riding my dirt bike. Sorry for the bad quality. It's on my tablet. It sucks. Sorry for the butt crack. So yeah, and that's it. Thank you guys for seeing this. I know it's only at least like 50 seconds long, but yeah. So that's it for you now, and I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye!